Well, joining me now is Grady Block, another attorney involved in the case for the Mountain States Legal Foundation. Grady, good to have you with us. So what's going on here? Why were these plaintiffs denied jobs?
Thanks, Todd. Thanks for having me. So yeah, we represent a group of nearly 1,000 people who were discriminated against purely because of the color of their skin. So what happened was they went to these collegiate training initiatives. That was the standard for 15 years, really. And they passed this test with flying colors. A lot of them even got 100% on the test. And what happened was the hiring pool to the Obama-Biden administration appeared to be a little bit too white for their tastes. So they actually scrapped the entire program that previously had a 100% success rate. Just like you said, you were nearly guaranteed to go forward and get a job with the FAA. And they went to a questionnaire-based exam that was essentially designed to gerrymander out white applicants. So it introduced questions of ethnicity and cultural background, things like that, in order to gerrymander these applicants out. So we have alleged that they violated Title VII in discriminating against these applicants for their race.
So just to be clear here, you're saying that these individuals, the one issue here, it was their race, it was their skin color.
Absolutely, that's 100% correct. It was their skin color that got them barred from being FAA air traffic controllers.
So when did this become an issue? Did you notice anything like this happening, this sort of discrimination happening during the Bush years, or is this something that happened specifically during the Obama administration?
This specifically happened right under the Obama-Biden administration in that second term. So they switched the test starting in 2012, I believe. And then they eventually reverted back, I believe. But it all happened under that Obama-Biden administration. They switched everything, and our lawsuit's actually been going on for quite some time. As far back as 2015 is when it was filed. So this was before President Trump ever took office the first time.
I gotcha. So where are we now? We're 10,000 air traffic controllers short. Do you guys have concerns that some of the individuals working those towers may not actually be qualified to be there?
Sure. I mean, I think that's a very reasonable case. Anytime you're not hiring based on merit and hiring solely based on the color of someone's skin, especially in a job as intense and demanding as an air traffic controller, that definitely raises concerns, I think, for many Americans, really, and especially, for us. And I think we're starting to see the fruits of that. And the unfortunate side of it is this is a job that requires a lot of training, a lot of schooling, and you can't just wave a wand and come up with a new 1,000 air traffic controllers to fill those vacancies.
Mr. Block, when you heard the reports that the FAA was actually hiring people based on a number of circumstances, individuals with severe issues, dwarfism, for example, being listed as one of the areas, the demographics they were looking to hire from, it just seems to me, and nothing against people with severe disabilities or issues, psychological issues, it seems to me you would just want someone who is very, very good at making sure planes don't collide with each other. That, to me, seems to be the bigger issue here.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, again, I think any reasonable American doesn't care what the color of someone's skin is, what kind of conditions they have, anything like that. They just want to be safe when they fly. And, it's anyone from the pilots to the technicians to the air traffic controllers. These are very, very serious consequences if things go wrong, and people just want to be safe when they fly.
Well, nothing wrong with that at all. All right, where are we with the lawsuit? Again, this happened back in the 2013, 2015. Where are we now with the lawsuit?
Right. So this is, as a class action, it's a little bit slower moving than a lot of lawsuits, but we are solidly in the discovery phase. And part of the reason for that, just to be honest with you, is the DOJ has asserted privilege over 14,000 documents. And that's, obviously slowing things down a bit. It's hard to review any discovery if you don't have any of the discovery.
Well, that makes a lot of sense there. Well, best of luck to you. What a horrible story. Just unbelievable. But we have no doubt that you guys are going to get to the bottom of it.
Thank you, Todd. Thanks for having me.
Grady, thank you again.